Here's a 2016 Audi Allroad. Unleash your adventurous side in this rugged yet sophisticated Allroad and surround yourself in premium luxury and cargo capability. Features include external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, leather bucket seats, 4-wheel drive, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver explains the cabin is as well turned out as you'd expect. A veritable festival of high-buck materials screwed together with the precision of, well, an Audi. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.